Hello guys, welcome back to another weekly market outlook. All right, so in this outlook, what are we going to look at? As usual, we take five pairs and then we look at them, discussing what we are going to be expecting for the coming week. All right, so the first pair we are going to consider is Euro USD. After we go to gold, GBP USD, GBP JPY, and Euro JPY. Okay, so let's start with um Euro USD. So with Euro USD, let's see what we were expecting last week. Okay, so let me go to 3H time frame. All right, so with Euro USD, I was actually expecting the market to come up to the side. Yeah, so we had our level down here, and then I was expecting the market to go up. As usual, we had our move to the upside. And if you were in my Telegram channel, you notice I gave an update when the market got to the side. So yeah, probably most of the guys there got out of the trade. All right, so after that we had this push down, in fact very strong momentum push down to the push to the downside. All right, so what am I expecting? What am I expecting for the coming week? All right, delete this and then let's see what we'll be expecting for the coming week. Euro USD right now, still we had a move, okay, to the upside with a strong momentum to break this particular structure. So we had a break of structure to the upside. So right now, what am I expecting for Euro USD? Okay, so we have this demand which has been mitigated, and then where do I think Euro USD is coming to? I think it's coming for this place or this side. Okay, now before it will get there, what will I be expecting? All right, so I have two scenarios for this particular pair. So I'm expecting something like this or this place. So if it's going to continue the bearishness, I'm expecting Euro USD to trade here before we get our move to the downside. So that's what I'll be expecting, either this level or this level, right? Also, what am I expecting? Now, I'm also expecting something like this to also happen, where the markets can decide. Sorry, I'm expecting something like this. Okay, so where the market can decide to come down before moving up. Okay, so these two scenarios are are the scenarios I'm going to be looking for. Okay, so for a buy setup, that's what I'm looking for, and for a sell setup, this is what I am looking for. Okay, so let's go to our next pair, which is gold. Gold, what do we have on gold? Yeah, so for gold, I was expecting the market to trade into this particular zone, if I recall. Yeah, I was expecting gold to trade into this particular zone. Then we get our push to the upside. Okay, now with gold too, I was expecting the market to actually feel an imbalance. Okay, there's a very nice imbalance right here that I was expecting gold to fill, but it seems gold respected this particular supply we had here. All right, so gold respected that particular supply zone and then gave us a strong push to the downside. Now, if you ask me where I think gold is heading to here, I think I'll go for this side. Okay, so I am thinking gold is heading for this place, and also we have this very nice supply zones right here. So we have the first one, then we have the second one. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting either this to happen on gold, so we can have the market coming here before we get a move to the upside. Okay, or what again do I expect for what a sell setup? So that's what I'm expecting, the market to come here and then give us what a particular sell, or the market will come into this particular supply and give us what a very nice sell. So when you ask me what I'm expecting for gold this coming week, yeah, this is what I'll be expecting. This is the moves I'll be expecting for gold. Now, right below this place, we have a very nice zone right here. I think gold can either if gold doesn't respect this level, it will break and then definitely respect what our second demand. All right, So this is what I'll be expecting for gold. Okay. Now, which pair is going to be our next pair, which is GBP-USD, GBP-USD. All right. So I was very sure GBP-USD was going to test this particular level. Yeah, we had it testing this level, going up and then breaking it down with a very strong momentum. So where is it heading to? I had these zones right here, which actually didn't respect. So yeah, GBP-USD really didn't respect our levels. And what are we expecting for the coming week? So if you ask me where I think GBP-USD is heading to, I'll be considering this um, level right here. So that's where I'm expecting GBP-USD to head to. Okay. Now, what again should I be expecting? Which moves am I expecting in the market? So I have this particular zone right here. I also have another supply right around this place. So I have two scenarios as well for GBP-USD. So the market can either trade into this, then give us a move to the upside. Okay, something like this. It can give us a move to the upside. Okay, now, all right. So what again am I expecting? So the market can also give us what, a sell scenario from here. So to continue its what bearishness, the market can either trade up here or the side to continue its bearishness. Okay, because right now on the 4H, yeah, we had our swing low right here, which has been broken. Okay, we have our swing low right here, which has been broken, which actually give us a change in the trend. For me, for M4H here, I have a change in the trend. And let's see on the weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, we are very bullish. Okay, since we haven't broken our weekly swing lows. And let's see on the daily. On the daily too, we are very bullish since we haven't broken our daily swing lows. Okay, so let's see what the market is going to give us. Let's see the opportunities the market is going to bring to us, and then we trade based on what the market gives us. All right. So which pair is going to be our next pair, which is Gbpjpy, Gbpjpy. So with Gbpjpy, I had these two levels marked out. I was expecting market to trade in these two levels, either this place or this place, but you can see market, they didn't really respect the levels we had here. Okay, so what I was expecting for this pair didn't go as planned. All right, but then what again am I expecting this week? What am I expecting this week? All right, so once again, I still consider my liquidity right here relative equal highs right here. Okay, and then what am I expecting? I have an imbalance right here. So there's an imbalance right there, which I'm expecting the market to to come and fill. So I'll be expecting something like this before I get my sells. So that's what I would be expecting. Yet again, what am I getting? Now we had the market trading somewhere here. Okay. So what will I be expecting? Probably if the market opens, I'm going to be expecting some push to the downside, then we get our move to the upside. Okay, so I think this is what I'll be considering for this pair. This is what I'll be expecting for this pair. I'll have the market trade, give us a retracement, and then we get a move to the upside. So basically, this is what I'll be expecting for Gbpjpy, Gbpjpy. Okay. Now, what is going to be our next pair, which is Eurujpy? What will I be expecting for Eurujpy? So last week, yeah, I had these two levels marked out, and I was expecting the market to either trade off this level or this level, right? So we had the markets respecting this particular demand nicely. So we had a very nice demand level here. Then when you go to the lower time frame, you see that, yeah, we had a very nice seasonal demand right here. Yeah. So what did the market do? The market came to test it very nicely. And then I think when you go to the lower time frames, you get some nice entries right there. Yeah. and then the market traded into it, gave us an entry, and then moved straight to the upside. Okay, yeah. All right. So what am I expecting this coming week? What am I expecting this coming week? Same thing. Um, I'm expecting for Gbpjpy, same thing I'll be expecting for Euro-JPY. So you can see right here, we have what? Liquidity right above this place, right? So we have tons of liquidity right here. Market was just creating some form of liquidity right here. And then what are we having? What are we having? Now, we have the market trading of this demand zone. And then what am I expecting? I'm expecting the market to retrace. Okay, then we get a move to the upside. So this is what I'll be going to expect on this pair this coming week. I'm expecting some retracement into this level. Then we get what? I'll move to the upside. So this is what I'll be expecting for Euro USD. Okay, this is what I'll be expecting for Euro USD. This is what I'll be expecting for gold. All right, let me go to the 3-hour time frame. This is what I'll be expecting for gold. This is what I'll be expecting for GBP-USD, for Gbpjpy, and then Euro-JPY. All right. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, I'll be very happy if you do so, since it keeps us giving updates on these trades. If you haven't joined the Telegram group, yeah, I'll be very happy if you joined. It's free. I give updates on this trade. So I remember when Euro USD got to this place, I gave an update, and then when gold also got to this high, I gave an update in the group. Okay, yeah. So anything that happens on the pairs, we still give updates. And so if you want to keep an update on this following pairs, you can join the Telegram group, which is going to be in the description. The link is going to be in the description below. All right, thank you very much for watching. Bye.